Alright, today it's the 30th of October 2021. We have Solkikuja. Tuesday is house. Solkrennen. Stekis B. Here in Myyrmäki, Vantaa. Länsi-Vantaa, West-Vantaa, West-Vantaa, the Helsinki Sports Region, Uusimaa in Finland. This has an original indicator, and the capacity is 8% or 630 grams in English here. And Stekis C, it's in German. This number is 1236V, and it's going to be inspected next year, 2022, 3 floors only. But the Stekis C has 5 floors.
Yeah.
Built in 1998, Schindler pictures. Very nice. Proper relic. Also, these have 2 rides.
Yeah.
We didn't think this 3-floor part would have elevators, but it does have also.
Yeah.
And the working arrows.
Yeah.
They're very often broken.
Yeah.
Most of the time they're broken.
Yeah.
Should I look upon it all around?
Yeah.
Did somebody come?
Ja. Inspektiert paikka vai inspektointi maintain paikka on. That's